So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we are again back with another very exciting tutorial on Hermes agent. And this time we are using the latest LLM, the open source king, that is Kimi K2.6. Yes, you heard it right. I would be testing out Hermes agent with Kimi K2.6. As you can see, I've already opened a Hermes agent and my model is, as you can see here, Kimi K2.6. So let's get started. First of all, I'll be testing out the model with Kimi K2.6 and then I'll be telling you how you can use the model with the latest model. So I'll be telling you the process on how to generate the API key for Kimi and then how to set it up in Hermes. So let's get started. As you can see, already Kimi K2.6 is available for me. So let me ask you to write a blog for me. Write a short blog, less technical, on programming in AI era. Let's see how it works. If you don't know, Hermes Agents is one of the most trending AI agents right now on GitHub, which not just writes code and execute tasks for you, but it also remembers your preferences. So if you have mentioned that, okay, always for me, use simple words. So it in memory, it will be remembering that, and the next time when you ask it to explain something, it will always use a simple word for you. So it has memory which is long lasting. It's not a session memory, it's a memory for a lifetime. This is what makes it different from OpenClaw. And a lot of people are using it. It's already crossed 100k stars. By the time we have talked, I think Kimi K2.6 has given us an output too. Here's a quick draft and want me to adjust the tone, etc. or expand on any sections. So this is how Kimi K2.6 is operating with Hermes agent. Let me try out something else and then we will jump on to how I did this integration. Write Python code for Fibonacci series. Deliberating, as you can see, the UI looks quite sleek. I'm using it in Windows using WSL. So I have already explained in my previous video how you can install Hermes agent in Windows. You can check that out too. So here you can see that it is able to give an output. So we are using Kimi K2.6 right now, friends, and we have able to run it quite seamlessly. So how did I do it? Let me show you that. So first of all, I'll quit this my session and you need to go to Hermes model section. So as you can see right now I'm using custom endpoint. As you can see here, this endpoint I have added on my own API moonshot.ai. If you want to use it for the first time, you need to go to the custom endpoint section and here you need to provide the API base URL. Now for API base URL for Kimi, I will be telling you where to get it. So let me go to the Moonshot AI official web page. So as you can see on my screen, this is the variable that this is the base URL that you need to use api.moonshot.ai / v1. So you need to copy paste this. It's quite easy. And the next step is to provide the API reference to it. Here you can see that. Let me take you to how to get the API key for yourself. So here you can see that I am on the API section page, API keys. For that, you need to log into moonshot.ai. Do remember that? And this is the API key that I have created for myself. Now, once this API key is created, it is also providing you what you get, what you don't get. I got the sponsored from Kimi team. So thank you so much for this lovely gift for me. So here you can see that you can look at for your usage limits also, concurrency, TPM, RPM. So this API key is not free. Unfortunately, you need to get it. You need to buy it. There are different prices for that. You can check that out. But once you have created the API key, you got the base URL also as I showed you previously. You need to copy that. And once you provide your API key, which is optional right now, we'll be copy pasting that too. I've copy pasted it. Now you can see that what are the available models present here. You need to see that Kimi K2.5, Kimi K2.6 is visible. Just enter Kimi-K2.6. Let it auto detect. Display name is this only. And now we are ready with Kimi K2.6. So now once you run Hermes, this will take a while to load. Hermes is loaded now, and as you can see, Kimi K2.6 is available for you. So this is how you can use Kimi K2.6 with Hermes agent, test out your model and do a lot of things. So with this, it's a wrap. I hope you try it out. It looks crazingly good and the model is the best open source model yet. Do try it out with Hermes agent. Thank you so much.